Jumping in as always appreciated. Phoenix football ending on the bay now, and that's the last break of the night. So, all right, you guys will have to pick left, middle, or right. Left, middle, or right. Left, middle, right. Everyone pick left. All right, we're going left. All right, here we go. All right. We got a redemption. All right. Out of 259, Freddie Freeman. Out of 299, Derek Jeter. Mario Rivera, Corey Kluber, Stroman. For the Pirates, out of 27, Elite Leather, Starling Marte. 8 of 27 for the Pirates. Rookie autograph card for the Angels, Shohei Ohtani. Nice hit for the Angels. Nice hit for the Angels. Boy, this product is just loaded. Loaded product. Out of 299, Clayton Kershaw. Out of 50, 42 of 50 for the Blue Jays, Stroman. Conforto, Freeman, Hosmer. For the Red Sox, out of 36. Holy shit bag. 21 of 36. Jersey for the Red Sox, J.D. Martinez. And if one Ohtani wasn't good, 2 is better. 6 of 9. None on base. Jersey auto for the Angels. 6 of 9. Shohei Ohtani, Jersey auto. So this product is just nuts. Eric Hosmer. Out of 259, Dustin Pedroia. Out of 299, Andrew Benintendi. Ty Cobb, Addison Russell, Ozzie Smith. 9 of 10, two-color patch auto for the Astros, George Springer. 9 of 10 patch auto for the Astros. For the Yankees, out of 36, 15 Ks, 0 walks, Tanaka, Masahiro Tanaka. And then back to Ozzie. Yu Darvish out of 25 for the Cubs. Out of 199, Barry Larkin. Rizzo, Darvish, Bregman. 1 of 9. 3-color patch of Craig Kimbrell for the Red Sox. I'll call you right back. For the Red Sox, 1 of 9, Craig Kimbrell. And how about an Ozzie Smith? 1 of 9, glove and bat, jersey and bat relic for the Cardinals. 1 of 9, Ozzie Smith. Back to Bregman. Uh, 33 of 50, Ryan Braun. Out of 199, Roger Maris, the Yankees. Longoria, Ernie Banks, Correa. For the Oakland Athletics, 37 of 75, jersey auto of Chris Davis. 37 of 75, Chris Davis for the Athletics. And 18 of 27, Crush, Players Weekend, jersey. And back to Correa. And we haven't hit either case hit. Out of 299, George Brett. Out of 99, Mike Trout. We haven't hit a triple auto or a white whale. Goodness gracious. For the Blue Jays, Josh Donaldson, 4 of 36. Jersey swoosh for the Blue Jays. And how about a 2 of 3, 1 color, 3 color, 1 color patch auto, David Ortiz for the Red Sox. 2 of 3. Blackman, Lindor, Votto. Alright, that's triple threads for you.